What is up, guys? It is Tyler Stupchen back here again for another video, and today I got with me Emily, and we are going to be building a fun game for you guys called Drunk Jenga. So we're going to go in, get a few supplies, show you how we make it, and we'll test it out and see how it goes. This game is going to be great for all you guys trapped in quarantine, give you something to do and entertain everyone that comes over. But don't forget, maintain that social distancing. Peace. Ingredient number 1, Jenga. Ingredient number 2, paint. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, black, white, and paintbrushes. And lastly, ingredient number 3, the most important one of all, the beer.
I used to be chill, now I can't catch my breath.
Alright guys, so we just got back and we are going to start the painting process. We have all of our blocks right here, a couple paintbrushes, and an array of colors to start painting with. There are a total of 54 pieces, so this might take us a while. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's get to it.
My hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool.
We finally finished 6 hours later, and this is what we got. Which one is your favorite one?
I like this one.
Give a shot.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. This one's pretty cool. I like the little birdies. I don't know about you, but that was a huge pain in my but let's go test it out and see what everyone thinks. Quick disclaimer, guys, I just wanted to let you know that this video was shot and made before the severity of COVID-19. At the time, the CDC recommendations were gatherings of no more than 10 people, which were followed.
No. Well, you made that one?
So cool.